Today we are going to learn about sound, how sound produce, how sound travel, qualities of sound and types of sound. Firstly, we are discuss about what is sound. Sound is a form of energy. Sound is described in decibel loudness is 135 dB. And how sound is produced? Sound is produced when something vibrates. Like guitar and pianos produce sound when their string vibrate. Drum make sound when their drum head vibrate. And the sound of your favorite singer is produced when his vocal cord vibrate. How does sound travel? Sound does not just travel through air. It can travel through solid, liquid and other gases too. When you tap the desk, you causes the molecules in the desk to vibrate and the vibrations travel through the desk like they do through the air. The molecules in solid are arranged differently than the molecules in gases. The most of the time it's easier for sound waves to travel through solids. This means that the waves have more energy when they reach your ears, and more energy means a louder noise. And what are the qualities of sound? Sound could be high or low. The faster our vibration, the higher is the sound. The slower the vibration or the lower is the sound. So high and low sound is a quality of sound. What are the type of sound? There are two type of sound, pleasant music and unpleasant noise. Unpleasant noise have 2 points, noise pollution and harmful effect of human. Pleasant music is what you like to listen to and what relaxes you. Sound is essential to our daily lives, but noise is not. Noise is generally described as an unwanted sound or sound which produce unpleasant effects and discomfort on the air. When sound become noise? When it either interfere with normal activities such as sleeping, conversations or disturbs one's qualities of life. So noise is basically any unwanted sound. What are the sources of noise pollution? Noise can come from many places. Sources of noise pollution are household sources like food mixture, grinder, vacuum cleaner, etc. Social events like parties, wedding, etc. Transportations like aeroplane, train, bikes, etc. So last our topic is effects of noise pollution. Prolonged exposure of noise to a person will damage their eardrums, which may result in a permanent hearing loss. Other effects may include headache, irritability, and in extreme cases, fright and hair